Hey guys, Jamie here with Journey North. As you can see, winter's still here. Just throwing some wood up on the deck, and old refrigerator I turned into a coal box. Down to a lot of little pieces and stuff now. Got a couple good sized chunks yet. That's an all-night burn one right there. We'll probably use this up while it's still cold, and then I'll just take some of these smaller ones, fill up a bucket, and throw in some here and there to use it up. Just a little beach coal. It's free. Just got to go down and pick it up. Makes nice all-night burns. Get a good fire going. I just throw a couple these little chunks in there. Saves on the wood. Makes a nice bed of coals. Lasts a long time. Put a great big chunk in before I go to bed. In the morning, even if your fire's out, all you got to do is take your poker, stir it around, and you got bright red coals ready to throw some wood in. It's kind of essential up here. We don't have hardwoods. We got birch and alder. That's really about it. So this coal really saves you for the all-night burns. And it's getting up into the 30s during the day, but nights here are still dropping down to single digits. And I want to clear this coal out, make room for the big chunks for next winter. Take her easy, guys.